So you love using the Notion but tired of the bright white screen? In this video, I will show you exactly how to turn on the dark mode in Notion so you can work comfortably even at night. Now, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology and make the everyday tools super simple for you. So if you enjoy this kind of quick and the clear tutorial like this, then make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss our new videos. Alright, now let's jump into it. So once you are inside your favorite browser, just go to the notion.com and just log in your account. So once you are in, just you have to click on these settings here from this left panel. Now just go to these preferences here from the setting tab, and you can see there is a appearance, and just click on this and switch it from light to dark. And that's it. The dark mode is now activated in Notion. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.